Webfleet is your window to easy and smart fleet management. See your vehicles, assets, and your business on one interface. Anytime, anywhere, and on any screen. Select your preferred vehicle icon and customize the way you want it. Check out a vehicle or asset's position in a few clicks. See the exact street view. Look at trip information or driving events and see other vehicles through the same lens. Analyze their speed and fuel consumption. Gain insight into your electric vehicle's battery level and remaining driving range. See if a vehicle visited or was close to a specific location on a given time and date. Define notices, warnings, or messages for when a vehicle or asset enters or leaves a defined area. Easily identify which trailer is connected to which truck. Get notified when your vehicle or asset has a planned service or when an engine malfunction has been detected. Customize the data you want to see about your drivers and the way it's displayed. See your driver's working time and remaining driving times for dispatch planning. Get timely warnings of every social infringement. Your drivers record their trips using the Webfleet Logbook mobile app. Navigate through your driver's logbooks in Webfleet, review their business trips, and help them stay tax compliant. Drill down on your driver's Optodrive scores and compare their driving behavior. Benchmarking your team's safety and performance has never been easier. See traffic information in real time. Find the best route and save time with A/B route planning. Guide your drivers and send routes directly to their ProDriver terminals. Send them messages and orders. All are logged in Webfleet. Plan your order schedule flexibly using drag and drop, or in one click, sort all your orders into the optimal sequence for your driver. For ad hoc trips, use remaining driving distance to see how far your driver can travel. Customize dashboards to monitor your fleet's performance in real time. Or check out reporting to get a more detailed overview. Integrate with third-party applications and future-proof your system as your business progresses. Easy to use, equipped with the latest technology, inspired by the largest customer base in Europe. Discover Webfleet, fleet management as you've never seen it before.